Tim Albright with AVNation at ISE 2022 in the Peerless-AV booth with Rob Miner. How are you, sir?
Good, very well, thank you.
Good, thanks for having us in the booth.
Thank you very much for inviting me.
First couple days have gone through. How do you feel?
A little bit tired, but it's been good. It's been busy. It's been a busy 2 days, so I can't complain. Booth is very busy today, more than yesterday.
Yeah.
But everything's going well so far.
Good to be back in person?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
A little different from Amsterdam, being in Barcelona, but you know what? Can't complain. It's not cold. I don't have a jacket. I don't have a hat or mittens. I'm enjoying the temperature.
And it's not snowing outside. So.
That's a big point.
Absolutely. All right. So we are standing right in front of your guys' booth. One thing that you Peerless-AV has kind of gotten really deep in the last few years is that's direct view LED. Right. Talk for a second about some of your solutions and what you guys are showing off here.
Well, some of our solutions we have three types of solutions. We have the wall-mounted kitted solution, which is our seamless kitted. That works for standard solutions that are maybe like 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, or 6x6, using anyone's cabinets. That could be Barco's, Samsung's, Unilumens, LG's. We have that standard kit, goes on the wall.
Yeah.
We also have a floor-to-wall solution. It's also a seamless solution, but let's say that wall is not sturdy enough to hold that wall, the entire load. We can attach that to the floor, put it to the wall itself, and still do those 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6 solutions for all those displays. But then we also have the bespoke solution. That's the one that I'm really excited about. And that's where we get into those more unique types of challenges and designs, where we work with different types of end customers, such as casinos with gaming, resorts, control rooms, I'm trying to think of other types of universities, where they want something completely different, whether it be concave, convex, maybe around a corner, over a door. So what we're showing here today is that type of solution, where we have a 170-degree bespoke curve that goes to flat, goes to a 90-degree corner, and then goes over a lift or elevator for us in the States, just to show the dynamics of our type of design that we can do and provide that type of solution. And with that bespoke, what we're talking about with customers is our precise engineering that we have with it, because we have our own design company, well, not a design company, but our own team of design engineers that are strictly just focused on direct view LED. And by focusing strictly on direct view LED, we come up with these types of good solutions that are well fit. And on top of that, when we do design something of that nature, luckily I'm the person that goes out on site to make sure that install team does assemble and integrate our solution correctly with those display cabinets, or I can have my installers come out with me and then we'll do the entire process from start to finish, and allowing those Samsung, LG sales engineers to commission the system. So we can be either just the mount itself, mount with consultation, or mount consultation and installation from its nuts to bolts.
All right, so let's take it back one step further. As you're talking to a dealer, as you're talking to an integrator, what is that step? What does that process look like? They contact you guys on the front end and say, hey, you know what? We have this opportunity. Now walk me through that design system or walk me through that design process. Where do you guys typically, like in an ideal situation, where do you want to get involved?
We definitely want to get involved in the beginning.
Yes.
So what actually happens is it's almost multifaceted. We'll get a call from the display manufacturer, hey, this is coming up from XYZ company, they're doing this entire project. We want to use your mount, what can you design for us? And of course, we got to go into a quote process and we get it all through that. It also comes through the middleman, such as a Diversified. Diversified is one project, maybe with a hospitality or a mall, and they plan on using an LG or a Samsung or Unilumen display, but they need a mounting structure designed. So they'll come to us. So now we're going through dealer. You know, it could actually be Diversified, it could be Exertis, it could be JB&A, it doesn't matter. Or it could be the end customer. End customer knows what they want to design, and they come to us automatically because they may have heard of us through the display manufacturer. So then we start talking and start designing, and then we go from there. So it's kind of funny, with our partnerships, it can happen from the display, it can happen from the dealer, it can actually happen from the end customer. But either way, we're going to get everyone involved, we're still going to play nice in the sandbox, because there's no reason why we need to just be focused on Samsung, focused on Unilumen, focused on LG. We're everyone's partner in this, and that's what we want to be.
Excellent. Rob, somebody wants to find out more about your direct view LED or just Peerless in general, how they do that?
They would go to our website at peerless-av.com or reach out to us by telephone or email, and one of us will get back to you right away.
All right, very good. Rob Miner from Peerless-AV. Thank you so much, sir. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv, and follow along as we bring you more videos from the show floor of ISE 2022. All that and more at avnation.tv. It's avnation.tv.